welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is a haul, and it's going to be coming from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and then I purchased one thing from HSN. So today is Valentine's. I'm wearing my Valentine t-shirt that I made with my Cricut. I'm so excited for date night tonight, and I want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. Whether you have a sweetheart or you don't, it still can be a special day for you, okay? So let's hop into this and let me show you what I found. Some items are new finds and some are things that I've seen there before, okay? First, let me just start with this ribbon. I found this pretty, a pastel blue and then that pretty pink. It's like a check, and I love that. I think it is just so festive for spring. It is so humid today. It rained last night, and now it is so hot. I feel like I'm going to melt. I think it's the humidity, okay? And then I picked this up. I love these little Easter eggs with the dots and the stripes. They're just so precious. And then I picked up this real pretty, like a tilly collar ribbon that's burlap. And then this is like a reddish pink. I like those, so I picked those up. Then I found these in the past, and I've done DIYs with them, and I think I have something in mind that's a little different this year to do. But they're just the little paintable rabbits that you can get that are ceramic. So I picked up two of these, and I just love his little paws up. I think it's adorable. Okay, and then I picked up 4 of these. Now I think I've used these in the past, but I love these. They're like a little shadow box. 2 of mine says, I need coffee. Okay, and you can do so much with this. I have a wonderful idea in mind for that. And then the other 2 just say out of the office. I just, look at that. I mean, for $1, and you can see through it. Possibilities are endless. And then I found these little triangles that says roar like you mean it. I have 2 of these. And I have an idea in mind for this as well. You cannot beat the Dollar Tree for crafts, okay? And then when I was in there, I saw these little stickers, mermaid stickers, and this would be great for a planner, or you could do a DIY with it if you wanted. I would use it in my planner, I believe, but look at those beautiful little mermaids and the fish and the shells, and then if you flip it over, they're different. That is just precious. Okay, and my husband's out cleaning the pool if you hear something. And then this is just a little paper mache, like a cardboard box, like my heart was, but this is just the cardboard. I picked up one of those. Then I love Crafter Square. I picked up 4 of these little crates. You can do so much with it. They just look like the bigger crates, but they're small. If you wanted to do a vignette with these, you definitely could. I mean, the possibilities are endless, so I picked up 4. And then I love Dollar Tree socks, so I picked this up, and when you put your feet together, it makes a little rabbit. But they're so cute. I love the light gray and the darker gray and the pink. And I think that rabbit is just precious. And I don't think you can tell, but this is kind of like a, oh, what would you call that? Like almost like a terry cloth. It's so adorable. And they're just crew socks. Then I picked up some hydrangeas, okay? And I love pink and purple, as many of you know. I picked up this beautiful purple hydrangea, then this lighter pink, and then this darker pink. And then I picked up the hyacinthus, I believe is how you say it. But I have 4 of these. They just look so real. I love Dollar Tree's florals. And then I picked up 3 of the darker purple. Isn't that beautiful? Spring will be here before you know it. And then I picked up just 3 bunches of this onion grass. You could always do something with this. Then we will go, oh no. Then I also found, now I hadn't seen this in my Dollar Tree. It's a new find for me too. These little silicone finger protectors. I use the little spatula, and it's great, but if you're wanting to hold on to something, you need something to protect your fingers. So I picked up 2 packs for $1. You can't beat that. And I like the little pink color that they come in. They're easy to find like that. Plus, they're just kind of happy to look at while you're using. So I picked up 2 of those. And then the Crafter Square Pop Dot Tape. You get 3 of these for $1. You cannot beat that if you're doing scrapbooks, pocket letters, even planners. You can use them in this, even your DIY projects. So I picked that up. Okay, now what we will do is I'm going to show you. I also went to PetSmart, okay? But I think I'll do Walmart. No, I'll go ahead and do PetSmart. We're getting a little dog, and I'm not going to tell you her name yet, and I'm not going to tell you what kind she is, but we'll pick her up on the 29th, and we're both so excited we cannot stand it. But she's very tiny. She's a puppy, and I don't think she's going to get a whole lot bigger, but I love it. And we decided that we wanted the smallest one out of all the little puppies. So we picked her up these little squeaky tennis balls for her to chew on. And I'm so excited. I cannot stand it. And then here's her little collar. It's so pretty with her bow. And then it just has like little stars. And it's adjustable, so as she grows, it will, you know, adjust. But she's always going to be a very tiny dog, okay? And so that came from PetSmart. Now we'll go to Walmart, okay? So when I was in there, I wear a size 5 shoe, and it's very hard to find. These are 6s, but they fit me. Now these were, okay, they do say. And these were $14.98. And I just love that this is totally adjustable, the top and the bottom. You can make it more customized to your feet. They're very cushy right here, very cushy. I love that. And then your toe bed, you just slide your foot in there, and it's going, I just think it's going to be really cute. They had just like a plain, like about this color on the top, but I wanted something a little different, so I picked the snake print, but I love these. And like I said, they had a lot of sandals to choose from, so if you're interested in sandals and you can go there now before everything gets selected and picked over, you'll be better off, okay? Then while I was in there, I got her a little harness, but I think it's going to be too big. But I'm gonna try it and see, and she may grow, and it's adjustable too. It says it's for an extra small, but I'm so into this pink. She will look adorable in it. And then I picked her up a little pink leash, extra small. Okay, now let's go into some makeup that I found there that I really do like. Okay, as many of you know, I'm suffering from dry eye really terribly. It's gotten a lot better, but it flares up. Like right now, I can't get my contacts in because my eyes feel really bloodshot and like something's in them already. So I had to put my glasses on. So I found this Neutrogena Healthy Volume Mascara at Walmart. I love this stuff. It has olive oil in it. Normally when I do my bottom lashes, when I'll put it on, it won't go on smoothly, it won't separate the lashes, and I get some fallout. With this, I don't. I love this stuff. I got it in the brown black. I'm going to go back and get some in the black. This is the kind of brush that it has. And it just, whether it's my top lashes, it's kind of hard to see with the glasses on, and that it is the brown black, so it's not, it doesn't make your lashes stand out as much. That's why I'm going to go back and get the black. but this stuff lengthens, separates, it holds the curl all day. They're not excessively crunchy, but they are firm, you know. You're not going to feel like you have nothing on your lashes, but it's so much better. I love this, and this is what the tube looks like. And like I said, it came in this little container, and it just says Healthy Volume Mascara, and it's Neutrogena. So I never, you know, really, I typically just walk by Neutrogena and don't pay that much attention to it, but I really like it. Okay, then I got this CoverGirl Clean Pressed Powder. I usually use like Bare Minerals translucent powder or something like this, but I saw a beauty YouTuber talking about this and she loved it. And so I got it in, what color did I get? Classic Beige. And it really does, it gives you a nice, and it comes with a little puff. I don't use the puff though. But it just makes, it smells good just like CoverGirl always did. But it will go ahead and just take that shine off. Now I've been so hot filming this video that I need to apply it because I'm very shiny. I hadn't used this one this morning because I thought I was going to be all right, but it's just so hot. But I love this stuff. Then I found some lipstick. And this is the Revlon Super Luxurious Shine. And this one is in Glossed Up Rose. Now, it's not a favorite of mine as much as the others are. I'll do a swatch and show you. But it is very, very pretty. And it doesn't dry your lips out. It lets it feel really moisturized. So I like that. And then this one is in Nude Illuminator. Now this is actually my favorite. And you'll see a theme to this lipstick. I mean, they're a lot alike. This one is in Beaming Strawberry, okay? And let me put this one on here. I thought it would be really pretty for summer. So there's the colors. They're very creamy, glossy. You can see it on my finger. They don't dry your lips out. Your lips don't feel like they're parched by the time you put them on, when you take them off or anything. So I do like that. Oh, I almost forgot. This I purchased at Walmart as well. Let me see how much I paid for that. This was $11.98. It is just very lightweight material, perfect for spring. And I like that pattern. I think it is so pretty with those flowers. They had a dark blue background as well as this. And then the side just has that little, where it's kind of tied up on it. So I love that. I had it over here and almost forgot to show you that. Okay, now what I wanted to do, the last thing I want to show you before I talk to you about something that I purchased is this. This came from HSN. It is Pride Beauty, and it is their Ageless Throat and Décolleté Cream. It was a today's special value, and that's why it's in this. This I have used 3 times on my neck because my neck never really looked like it was aging at all, but I'm in that pool with the chlorine and then the sun. Even though I wear sunscreen, it's really drying on your neck, okay? So I started using this. It smells really good. It lifts and it firms, and you can just see the consistency in there. I'm enjoying this. Now I haven't, like I said, I have only used it maybe like 3 times, maybe 4, but you can see how whipped that is. It doesn't leave you feeling greasy. It really, I think, is making a difference in my neck. So I'll keep you all posted. Now this was $44, I believe. And you could get it on auto ship, but I didn't because I was trying it out and I didn't know if I would even like it. So far, I really do like it, and I can tell a difference. Okay, now the last thing I showed this quite a while ago, this Clinique Clinical Smart Lift and Firm for your face and neck. And some of you wanted to know what I thought about it. Okay, I've been using it now since right after Christmas, and you can see how much of it is gone. I love it. Now, I used it on my neck. It helped, but I think the Pry Beauty maybe is doing better. So I've stopped using this on my neck, and I use it on my face only, okay? Now, I think this is like $64, but I can tell a difference in my laugh lines. They're not as noticeable. So I really, if you're interested in something, and many of you said that you were looking for something to help your face, I think you would really like this. It does whatever your skin needs, that's what it does. And I've noticed firmness, and like I said, these lines aren't as noticeable as they were, because when I would get in the pool, from here down, I would be on my kickboard and this would be submerged in the pool. And it really aged this part as well as this. So when I get in the pool this year, I'm not gonna do like I've done in years past, get on that kickboard and just keep this submerged. I'm gonna do more just everything. But I wanted to give you an update. I am loving this, okay? So that concludes my haul. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I'll see you all Monday for a Cricut video, and then Tuesday it'll either be a DIY or something, probably a DIY I think. And then Wednesday will be my planner, and then next Friday we'll be back to either a DIY or a haul. It may very well be a DIY though. So I want to wish everyone again a happy Valentine's Day. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.